kum shibenta ka jing rekhe ka International Water Conclave ka bderu alor ka phang ka jing koridor bentengkai ki wa baru ban penne pensa eka nagaliang ka tanat rekam jong ka sarkar ka office jong executive engineer Riboy division nongpo menta ka si ka nyoter rumpang kala yo ban penlong ya ka jing pen khoi ka warit ka bdanak snong yomolong nongpo ya ka te ka jing pen khoi ya ka te ka warit ka bdanak snong yomolong lawan ban shimenta lang daw ba keling do executive engineer water resource department ba Jesse Binan sub divisional officer water resource department Riboy ba Vicky Singkli rang ba snong yomolong kinong tre jong ka water resource department nongpo lemat kiwe ki rang ba nak snong yomolong nagaliang ka office jong executive engineer water resource kila yatho ba ka te ka jingmi ban shimenta lang ha ka te ka jingya pen khoi ya kiwa ka deru halor ka phang ban penne pensa ikiwa bal ai daga maryang batru ban pensa preng ya khobor halor ka jinglong koridor jong ka wa badon kam ban penne pensa ika kene ka jing penlong jong ka office executive engineer water resource Riboy divisional nongpo ban pen khoi ya ka wa ka deru kum shibenta ban snok telang ha ka jing rekhe ka International Water Conclave jong lu snam ka ban solong ha khandai bat shpotru rum phang hanong ba shilong